Welcome back, guys. Today, we're bringing you 15 best Amazon gadgets for cooking, cleaning, and organizing, designed to make your home life easier and more efficient. Let's check them out. And as always, you'll find links of all products in the description below. This outdoor broom leaf blower is the ultimate 2-in-1 tool for effortless outdoor cleaning. Designed for convenience and efficiency, it seamlessly combines a sturdy outdoor broom with a powerful yet lightweight cordless leaf blower. This innovative design allows you to sweep up dirt and debris while easily blowing away leaves, dust, and small particles from patios, driveways, decks, and sidewalks. The rechargeable battery ensures long-lasting performance, and its lightweight build makes it easy to handle for all users. Perfect for homeowners, garden enthusiasts, and anyone looking to keep their outdoor spaces spotless with minimal effort. This organizer is the perfect solution for maximizing refrigerator storage and keeping your beverages neatly arranged. Designed for efficient space utilization, it holds cans and bottles securely while allowing for easy access and smooth dispensing. The durable and lightweight construction ensures long-lasting use, while the compact design fits seamlessly into any fridge setup. Ideal for homes, offices, or commercial spaces, this organizer keeps your drinks chilled, visible, and ready to grab. This grocery bag carrier makes shopping effortless by allowing you to comfortably carry multiple bags at once. Designed with an ergonomic, soft grip handle, it evenly distributes weight to reduce strain on your hands and wrists. The rotating top section securely locks bags in place, preventing spills and making transportation easier. Whether you're carrying groceries, shopping bags, or even dry cleaning, this compact and lightweight tool provides a hands-free, pain-free solution. Perfect for busy shoppers, commuters, and anyone looking to simplify their carrying experience. This laundry basket is the perfect solution for hassle-free laundry handling. Designed for convenience, its collapsible structure allows for easy storage when not in use, saving space in your home. The large 26-inch capacity provides ample room for carrying clothes, linens, and more, making laundry day effortless. Built with durable and lightweight materials, it ensures long-lasting use while remaining easy to transport. The flexible design allows for quick loading and unloading, reducing strain on your back. This folding steamer basket is a versatile and space-saving solution for healthy cooking. Designed to fit a variety of pots and pans, its adjustable pedals expand and contract for a perfect fit. The heat-resistant silicone feet and side fins ensure safe handling. Ideal for steaming vegetables, seafood, and more, this innovative basket promotes nutrient-rich cooking with minimal effort. Plus, its foldable design allows for compact storage, making it a must-have kitchen essential for any home chef. This mini portable fridge is the perfect compact cooling solution for your home, office, dorm, or on-the-go needs. Designed with a 4-liter capacity, it can hold up to 6 12-ounce cans, making it ideal for storing drinks, snacks, skincare products, or medications. The lightweight and portable design allows for easy transport, while the thermoelectric cooling system ensures quiet operation and energy efficiency. With a sleek and modern look, this mini fridge seamlessly fits into any space, keeping your essentials cool and within reach wherever you go. This window squeegee is the ultimate tool for streak-free, crystal-clear windows. Designed for both indoor and outdoor use, it features a lightweight yet sturdy extension pole that reaches up to 78 inches, making it perfect for tall windows, glass doors, shower walls, and more. The high-quality rubber blade ensures a smooth, streak-free finish, while the adjustable head allows for effortless cleaning at different angles. With an ergonomic, non-slip grip, it offers comfort and control during use. Say goodbye to water spots and streaks with this efficient and easy-to-use window squeegee. This garlic peeler is the ultimate kitchen tool for effortlessly peeling and mincing garlic in seconds. Designed for convenience, it presses unpeeled garlic cloves while automatically scraping off the mince and ejecting the peel. No mess, no hassle. The ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the high-quality construction guarantees durability. With its innovative self-cleaning mechanism, leftover garlic is easily removed, keeping your hands odor-free. This mini portable dishwasher is the perfect solution for small kitchens, apartments, RVs, and dorms. Designed for compact convenience, it fits effortlessly on countertops while delivering powerful cleaning performance. With multiple wash cycles, including intensive, normal, eco, and rapid modes, it ensures spotless dishes with every use. The built-in water tank allows for easy setup without the need for direct plumbing, making it ideal for flexible use. Featuring high-temperature drying and efficient water filtration, this dishwasher provides hygienic and eco-friendly cleaning. This baby food maker is the perfect solution for busy parents who want to prepare fresh, nutritious meals for their little ones with ease. Designed for one-touch steaming and blending, it simplifies the process of making homemade baby food in minutes. The auto clean function ensures hassle-free maintenance, while the BPA-free, safe materials provide peace of mind. With a sleek and compact design, it fits seamlessly into any kitchen. Whether you're steaming, blending, reheating, or defrosting, this all-in-one appliance makes mealtime effortless and healthy for your baby. This microwave egg poacher makes preparing perfectly poached eggs quick and effortless. Designed with 2 cavities, it allows you to cook up to 2 eggs at a time, ensuring even heat distribution for consistent results. Made from food-grade, BPA-free material, it is safe, durable, and easy to clean. Simply add water, crack your eggs, microwave, and enjoy soft, medium, or hard poached eggs in minutes. The compact and lightweight design makes it perfect for home kitchens, dorms, or on-the-go breakfasts. This rice dispenser is the perfect solution for storing and dispensing rice with ease. Designed for convenience and freshness, it features an airtight seal to keep rice dry and protected from moisture, pests, and contaminants. The large 25-pound capacity ensures you have plenty of storage for your favorite grains, including rice, beans, and other dry foods. Its one-touch dispensing system allows for effortless portion control, reducing waste and mess. This cherry pitter makes removing pits from cherries quick and effortless. Designed for efficiency and ease of use, it features a sturdy, ergonomic handle that provides a comfortable grip while minimizing hand fatigue. The spring-loaded mechanism ensures smooth operation, allowing you to pit multiple cherries in seconds without crushing the fruit. Made from durable, food-grade materials, this cherry pitter is built to last and easy to clean. Whether you're preparing cherries for baking, snacking, or garnishing, this tool helps you enjoy mess-free and perfectly pitted cherries with minimal effort. This salad tongs make preparing fresh salads easier than ever. Featuring sharp, stainless steel blades, these tongs effortlessly chop lettuce, vegetables, and other ingredients directly in the bowl. The soft, ergonomic handles ensure a comfortable grip, while the spring-loaded design allows for smooth, one-handed operation. Built-in safety features like a locking mechanism provide secure storage when not in use. Whether you're making a quick chopped salad or adding toppings to your favorite dish, these versatile tongs simplify meal prep with efficiency and ease. And there you have it. Which gadget you are most excited to try? Let me know in the comments below.